Hey guys, welcome back to the video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, you might have noticed that a lot of whales have taken a very healthy profit from Bitcoin. From the Nasdaq listing, a lot of institutional money is flowing through Bitcoin, keeping the price at the same rate, and that's why the market is so stuck between 98,000 and 99,000. But where did all that profit taking money went? Into the smaller altcoin, and that's why the cycle has caused so many smaller altcoins to go explosive today, and one of them being Dogecoin. Why is this a big deal? Because Dogecoin was able to climb over the very important resistance close to 45 cents. And just to give you perspective, the trading volume is going explosive, about to take over XRP, while the Bitcoin trading volume has plummeted just a little bit in the last 24 hours. There are a lot of whales which are deciding to buy Dogecoin right now. In a single transaction, $11 million worth of Dogecoin. If history has any guide, Bitcoin could peak between 170 and 460k by October of 2025, and Doge is barking again with these fresh Elon Musk speculations, and Dogecoin is likely gearing up for a rally ahead. Real Vision CEO is about to say this. And before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything relating to the crypto market and especially Dogecoin, you want quickest updates, go down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video, just tap the YouTube algorithm, push the video to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening in crypto. They decide to buy into it, the user engagement goes up, more inflow of cash, the market keeps climbing, and a lot of us make a lot of profit. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now, first of all, I want to show you guys this. Today morning, I mentioned how we are definitely in an upward swing that's going to go explosive very soon. And that's exactly what's happened. If I get rid of all this, you can see that the price has definitely not been rejected close to 44 cents and clearly crossed 45 cents. At this point, if we're just able to hold on to this price, most likely we're going to be seeing a price upward swing towards 55 cents. If we make it there, just to give you perspective, the RSI line is already in the overbought zone, but that's happened a couple of times before as well. But the market just sees a little bit of consolidation and then keeps climbing. So right now, this consolidation phase, which we will probably experience in the next 24 hours, need to ensure that we stay over 45 cents. If we're able to do that, the next run up will take us to 55 cents. That's the best way to put it, and I have been mentioning this exactly the same pattern that's Dogecoin's been following. You can see it was consolidating, and then there was a little bit of upwards momentum. There's consolidation, explosion, consolidation, explosion, and the same thing is happening right now. Just keep in mind, Doge is very different when it compared to other cryptocurrency which are about the same size. You can compare it to XRP, or you can compare it to Solana, and you'll realize that most of them like to go up in a gradual growth. On the other end, Doge likes to stay in a consolidation phase and then just have a couple of days which is going to be very explosive. And let's just say this time the explosion has just begun, because most likely if we're able to stay over the 45 cents, we have a long way to go. I've been talking about this from the past 7 to 8 days. You can see this whole consolidation phase. I've been mentioning how if we just stay over the 35 cents, that's exactly how the market has played out. Identical to what I explained, but you just need to understand we just do not want to fall under 45 cents right now, and that can also be helped by the trading volume. If I just show you the trading volume growth, you will be very impressed. Now you can see 18 billion is the trading volume right now, which is up about 120%. Dogecoin hash rate hits a record of 1.2 pH, showcasing increased network involvement and miner incentives. Now, why is this a big deal? Just to give you perspective, Dogecoin has been doing really well for a long time. Just in the last 1 month, we have seen over 300,000 people that have new wallets which have purchased Dogecoin. And Tesla's code for Cybertruck has Dogecoin, sparking potential for a future Doge payment in vehicles. So, 3 things happening together. This one, which is Twitter or X payments, has just been added, a new feature which is being tested in the US right now. Some of the Twitter accounts, if you go to their profile, you will see a button to donate to them. Now, everyone is expecting that Dogecoin will be implemented in this very soon, which is the X payments. And on the other end, we also see the other side of this, which is more and more things are happening with the Dogecoin, and if let's say Tesla decides to start accepting Dogecoin as a form of payment, a lot of things are going to go very parabolic. And the way Bitcoin is moving right now, crossing the 100K could put it into a very explosive move. And you can see that Doge is trending on Twitter right now. Now, Dogecoin is likely gearing up for a rally ahead, says the Real Vision CEO. Now, these speculations which are building up around Dogecoin is quite impressive. If you guys have been looking at lower or like very little altcoins which are coming out, or meme coins, you know that there are so many people on TikTok, Twitter, which are just going live for random reasons and saying, soon as this coin hits 50 million. Now, that's the reason why meme coins are receiving a bad image, but faces like Dogecoin is the way that we will be able to clear that image. Another thing is the open interest. It's up another 30%. Just to give you perspective, now we're at 3.6 billion, and the long to the short ratio still is in the favor of the long traders and did not fall under 70%. You don't understand how crazy this is. Right now, Bitcoin is sitting at 58% to 42%. And the long traders are not being favored, but when it comes to Dogecoin, 72% of the people holding Dogecoin are in the long's favor. So definitely there is more upside left for Dogecoin. And this is another whale. The reason I wanted to show you this one is you guys can see if I just scroll down, they do a lot of transactions per day, but it's been about 25k transactions per each one, and seeing how many they have done, it's quite impressive, and it clearly shows how much they are trying to buy into Dogecoin right now. And one key support for the way everything is happening is this. X payments are coming soon. Will launch in US first. Is Doge making its way on X? And it's actually true, because this is being discussed everywhere right now. If this goes out live very soon, it will definitely have a huge impact on crypto market and actually Dogecoin. Binance raises compliance staff by 34% to meet the demand of the crypto industry. That's a lot of new people that have been hired. That means a lot of people are trading crypto in the back end. Trump's new Doge begins to identify federal agencies for overhaul. Now, the way this Doge, it's been implemented, it's kind of scary, because if it doesn't play out right, this could actually take a really wrong turn. And Trump taps pro-crypto scout as Treasury Secretary. The amount of people which are in the government right now of US who are going to be pro-crypto already says a lot in terms of what kind of impact Trump will have on the crypto market. And Gary officially just announced that he will be taking a leave after seeing so many pro-crypto people around. But trust me, Doge is just getting started. Be a little patient. You have a lot of profit to make. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon.